So you might be trying to figure out how to go through and basically use your AirPods as microphones inside of your particular iPhone. So when you're recording your videos, you can go and use your AirPod audio instead of your microphone. Now to do this, you will have to be on iOS 26 in order to do this. So keep that in mind. You have to be on iOS 26. Next up, connect your AirPods to your iPhone, just like so. So connect these two things together. Now next up, you want to go and put your AirPod in your ear. So go ahead and put one of them or both of them in your ears. And then what you want to do is you want to go and make your way over to the camera application. So jump right into camera and you want to scroll over to the video option. Remember, you have to be on iOS 26 to do this. Well, once you're in the video option, what you want to do is swipe down from the top right corner and you'll come into your control center. Next up, tap onto this little controls, camera controls option that shows up at the very top. Tap onto here. And then in this page, there should be an option that should allow you to go ahead and switch over from your current microphone to your AirPod microphone. It might automatically switch, but this is where you can go through and make that switch and make those changes if for some reason it's not showing up for you or if it's not working for you. So that's basically how to do it for the most part. Then after that point, you can start recording your audio and you should be able to start using your AirPod audio for your iPhone video recording. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.